I'm Brad Biznett here with Cole Publishing, and I'm chatting with Dave Dunbar from General Pipe Cleaners. Dave, how are we doing?
We're doing great. We're doing great.
And what are we going to look at today?
Well, it's the Flexi-Rooter 100. Flexi-Rooter 100 is a technology that we're just bringing out. It's new to the market. It has a few changes, a few advantages over other things in our marketplace right now. We're a drain cleaning company, you know?
Sure.
So we wanted something that would actually clean drains. One of the Achilles heels of Flex devices over the years has been that if you have a severely impacted drain, it won't actually open the drain. You have to go through with a snake or something first, then you come through with this and clean it up afterwards. Well, we think this is actually going to do both jobs.
Okay.
With the ClogChopper on the front and the fact that you can apply a little bit more forward momentum, we think this is going to actually open severely clogged drains. In addition to all the other things such as clearing roots, doing descaling, doing pipe prep and milling. So it gives you another tool for your tool chest that it's going to be really unique.
You mentioned the head. How fast are we talking? Like what
We're
kind of
talking
speeds are we
up to
here?
2200 RPM.
Okay.
So the ClogChopper we've used for years with our snake style machines, and they do a great job. They'll chop through almost anything out there. At 2200 RPM, this is really a force to be reckoned with, and it changes the way this machine can work. Plus, it's field repairable, unlike other things that are in the marketplace.
Okay.
We have a clutch that's built in to preserve and keep it from being damaged if something does get caught. We have a foot pedal. Foot pedal is key because you want to be able to use both hands or to have one hand on the camera that you're putting down the drain along with this.
What else differentiates it from the marketplace?
So we have a patented pending coupling, and it doesn't actually damage the shaft. That's
Okay.
one of the beautiful things about this, and it makes it much easier to get this off and clean it, to re-grease it, things like that. So let me just show you. Let me step back a little bit, and we'll turn this on and give you some idea on how fast this spins. So you can imagine when this is in the drain,
Sure, yeah, that's awesome.
It's like a weed whacker down the pipe, and it makes short work of any roots or anything else that's in there. So you have a lot of options. And it'll go into 2-inch pipe and do a very good job, get all the way around. You'll put this on the floor. And we can push it all the way through here to a 4-inch pipe. Watch what happens when I do the 4-inch
Awesome.
pipe.
That's very cool, yeah.
So the same chain goes to 2-inch and actually will do a really effective job on 4-inch. So from 2-inch to 4-inch, sometimes you get a machine, if it goes from 2 to 4-inch, you figure, well, the margins, 2-inch and 4-inch, you might not get the total 100%. But on this, it actually does a great job, both 2 and 4. So it's a great machine all over. It's very easy to use, very safe. The sheath doesn't move. Only the inside moves at 2200 RPM and does a great job as far as filling in the gaps, what people have been looking for.
That's fantastic. Dave, where can somebody go to get more information?
Well, they can go to our website, drainbrain.com, or call the Drain Brains at 800-245-6200. We'll tell you all about it.
Excellent. Thank you, Dave.
You bet. Thank you.
Care.